Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Now from you guys see this place, you know I'm going to my ground again, and it's today was 2nd October. It's the 3rd of October. Look at this ground, look at this pumpkin ground, it's almost fully covered. No, ground me I say. This garden is almost fully covered. This is not something to say garden. Well, this ground is almost fully covered with pumpkin leaves. You can't hardly see if I put my foot. Guys, remember I show you guys this pumpkin the other day, and look how it grow big, man. And this one over here also. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Very beautiful, yeah. Beer man. Beer good man. Yeah. Not true. And this is the one I show you guys that was the first one to put out. Now I think it's almost ready. So yes guys, there's a lot of pumpkin in here. A lot of pumpkin. I hope I make some money off this pumpkin this year. Trust me. Pumpkin in here for mad. Look guys, that was a passerby before telling me how my ground is so beautiful. So I'm going across, I'm going over. Have to take my time, as you can see, because I don't want to step on the pumpkin vines. So I'm taking my time in crossing. Yeah, and I have approached the cabbage. My sister up there, so I go along. She got flush 7 powder and hog feeding, and that's for a jumper. If you flush 7 powder and hog feeding, it stops the jumper from cutting down the plants. So guys, the cabbage are striving. Yeah, they are striving, so pretty. Look at them. I want to come one day next week and get them spray off. So guys, most of them had died out during the dry weather period. I wouldn't say drought period, but no rain was falling in September, and I got on the end part of September we get a few showers of rain and kind of lift them back up. So right now they're growing very beautifully, and I have fertilized them with Diamond A 1122 fertilizer. So that's the cabbage, guys. That's the cabbage right there. And yes guys, it weed out as well. So I had somebody weed this out and fertilize it for me because I couldn't manage. So look at this section. And you know, this side and that side over there was planted the exact same evening, and look at this one. It's thriving better than the ones over there. But guys, they're looking very beautiful. Look at it. So I want to get them spray off so that no caterpillar or any insect can take them. Guys, this is my broccoli. I'm so proud of myself. This is my broccoli. See them spread out and look good, and this has already been weeded as well. You guys can see I can't get a good shot of the entire ground, so I'm gonna go in the opposite, go over there to the end and show you guys. But guys, look at these. And guys, it's the 3rd of October and it's 5:27 in the evening. So I just come to take a look, and as I told you before, my sister over there, so that's her side of ground. Her broccoli is not as big as mine because she planted about a week ago, or probably 2 weeks, can't recall. Yeah, This is her broccoli. They're very young, so she come and she go flash some hog feeding and 7 powder. So you rub them up together and you flash it through the ground so that jumper won't cut on the plant. So I'm gonna show you guys while she's mixing up, and then we can go back to my ground. So guys, if you're a garden, want weed out here now. Want weed out here now too. I'm gonna show you guys what she's doing. Why you never get one bucket? Which one? Mix up better. So she's throwing the 7 powder onto the hog feeding, and she's gonna mix it up. So mix it up. So you wanna make sure to cover the hog feeding with the 7 powder. Throw all of it in there now. That's the 7 powder there, guys. This is a retail 7 powder. Mix it up. Let me try it through the ground. So this is her broccoli, guys. So her broccoli has catch already, because no rain did fall. She wasn't unlucky as me. I had to wet mine for about a week before I get look rain. But she wet her here about 2 times and then she get rain. She lucky. Yeah, so as you guys can see, it's getting a bit dark. I'm gonna show you the full layout of my ground. So that's me over there. Shall I flash it there? I don't know if none left from the last time. She's flashing the 7s. She's a man job. Oh, man can do any man, any worker man do. You stay there. Any man job.
Yes, but the size part,
So guys, I'm heading back. Oh, every one of them catch, man. They're pretty. All I want now is fertilize them so that when rain fall now. No, but you have to go weed it before your grass. Yeah, stay full of grass. Stay full of weed. Call daddy. Yeah, so heading back over to this direction. See me pose them there. Find them, fall up and I use. Yes guys, so this broccoli is so damn pretty. I can tell you. Pretty, man. I'm gonna get them blue off again. Trust me. I'm just checking, guys. Whenever you plant vegetable, you have to check to see if there's any caterpillars or insect eating away at the plant. But I haven't seen any as yet, so I'm still gonna come back. Oh, so one caterpillar there. Yeah. Go and deal with your case, man. Know yourself. Go and deal with your case. One day, next week, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna spray it off. Let me just get this caterpillar off because I don't want to leave him here. Yeah, dirty drunker. Yes guys, so I'm gonna show you guys something. So the other day when I had planted the cabbage and the cauliflower, I had also planted some ground bean at the top, if you guys remember from a video I did. So I had planted some ground beans here before, and look here guys, they all bust back up. So there was some dry seeds, and the dry seeds drop on the ground. I didn't plant these. The dry seed drop on the ground and rain fall and see they then bust back up. So that's some garden beans right there. Garden bean, ground bean, whatever. Huh? It's up. So guys, let me just show you the view of my surrounding areas. So guys, this is where I want to plant the tomato and sweet pepper up at the top right here. I want to get it clear and plant some tomato because I already have a tomato sown in the nursery bed, and that's where I want to plant that. And then at the bottom here I want to plant some sorrel and bean. I'm not sure as yet, but I'll keep you guys up to date on that. Now I want to tell you guys thanks so much for watching my videos, and go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share, and leave a comment. Yeah, and thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.